Imagine working for an entire year, only to discover that your investment account made more money than you did. You woke up early, answered emails, handled deadlines, and traded nearly 2,000 hours of your life for a paycheck. Your money attended no meetings, took no commute, and asked for no vacation. It simply remained invested and quietly grew. But when does that happen? When does your money stop feeling like a small side project and start behaving like another worker? To find the answer, meet Alex. Alex is 25 and earns approximately $65,000 a year, close to the current median pay of a full-time American worker. He decides to invest $500 every month into a low-cost U.S. stock market index fund. That equals $6,000 invested every year. For our calculation, we will use a 10% annual return, roughly the market's historical average before inflation. The market will never deliver exactly 10% every year. Some years rise sharply. Some barely move. Other years can erase thousands of dollars from the account. But using a long-term average allows us to see when the portfolio could begin doing more work than Alex. After the first year, Alex has personally deposited $6,000. His account finishes at approximately $6,270. Only around $270 came from investment growth. Alex contributed almost everything. After 5 years, Alex has deposited $30,000, while the account has grown to approximately $38,281. During year 5 alone, his investments add about $3,180. That is meaningful, but it is still far below the $6,000 Alex contributes from his paycheck. Then Alex reaches year 8. He begins that year with approximately $59,487 and deposits another $6,000 over the next 12 months. But during that year, the portfolio generates approximately $6,219 of investment growth. The account finishes the year at around $71,706. For the first time, Alex's portfolio money contributes more than Alex does. Alex adds $6,000, his portfolio adds approximately $6,219. This is the first crossover point. It does not mean Alex can stop investing. It means the machine has finally become powerful enough to help push itself forward. By year 20, the account has grown to approximately $359,130. During that single year, the investments generate around $32,348. That is more than 5 times Alex's annual contribution. But the biggest crossover has not happened yet. Alex earns approximately $65,000 from his job. So when could 1 year of investment growth exceed his entire annual salary? It happens during year 27. Alex begins that year with approximately $684,599 and continues investing $500 each month. Over the year, the portfolio generates approximately $68,730 and finishes near $759,329. Alex's job pays him around $65,000. His investments generate nearly $69,000. Alex worked thousands of hours for his salary. His portfolio attended no meetings, answered no emails, and never requested a day off. Starting at age 25, Alex reaches the first crossover at approximately age 33. He reaches the salary crossover at approximately age 52. These are not guaranteed appointments with wealth. They are exact results only within our mathematical model. But the lesson survives almost every reasonable assumption. In the beginning, your paycheck builds your portfolio. Later, your paycheck and portfolio build wealth together. Eventually, your portfolio may become the more powerful worker. At first, your investment account is like a new employee who barely contributes. You provide almost everything: the money, the patience, and the time. But every year, that employee becomes more productive. First, it earns a few $100s, then a few thousand. Eventually, it may produce more each year than you can add yourself. And at some point, the employee you built starts earning more than you do. Most people never experience that stage because they quit while their investment growth still looks small. They see a few $100s of growth and assume compounding is not working. But those boring years are not wasted years. They are the years spent building the machine. So instead of asking, "Why am I not rich yet?" ask a more useful question. How close am I to the point where my money contributes more than I do? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple stories about money, investing, and building long-term wealth. And comment below. Are you chasing your first $10,000, your first $100,000, or the point where your money out-earns you?